Yeah, hello all, welcome back. So in the previous session, we have gone through how to add the MWST tax condition type in our pricing procedure and how can we determine that in our sales document, right? So that is the standard, what is that? Condition type for tax for the international client. Okay. Now I will let you know how can we create our own tax condition types. Okay, so if we would like to create any condition type, what is the procedure we are following? We will create the condition tables first, right? So now see, we will create the condition tables first, for which the transaction is v/03. Then we will create access sequences, for which the transaction is, what is that? 07. Then we will create condition types.
Types.
v/06. Then we will place them into the pricing procedure, for which the transaction is v/08. And we will make sure the pricing procedure should get determined in the sales document. Yes, in the sales document. The transaction is OVKK. And we also has to create the condition records in the transaction VK11. Okay. Then we can get that, what is this? The condition type will get determined into the sales document. So here for the tax condition type also we have to do all these things. So now let us start our process from the creation of condition tables. So now let's go through the transaction v/03 and see here we have to take the fields from the field catalog, right? So the first one is country here. This one. For which the field attribute is land1. Here the domain name is land1, right? And for the second one, if you see, here it is land1 A land. And the first one here, it is land1 underscore GP. So you have to take this one. Okay, the first one. Okay, then you have to take tax classification one of the customers. See here, this one, tax classification one of the customer. Okay, in the same way you have to take tax classification of the material. See, I am using only these fields. Okay, country, tax classification one of the customer, and tax classification of the material. Okay, so for which I would like to generate a table now, and we have to use the package as JS30 here. Now let me save it.
Okay.
See, what is the table which is getting generated now? 530, right? So now let me go through v/07. Here, let me create one access sequence. What is that? MWST. Actually, we have MWST, right? So now I am creating a new one here. It is nothing but NWST.
Okay. You have given NMST.
Hello?
You mentioned here NMST.
NMST, yes. I am creating NMST as the access sequence, and condition type is also NMST. Sorry, not NMST, NWST. Okay?
Okay.
Tax condition type. Now let me select this one and let me go through the accesses. Here let me go through the new entries. In the step number 10, I would like to give the table as 530. So here It consists of country, tax classification one of the customer, and tax classification of the material. So now let me select it and go through the fields. Now let me save it. So here the access sequence MWST got created, right? So what is the next step? We have to create the condition type. So for which I am going through this one, v/06, and now let me take the standard one here, MWST, and now let me go through copy as, and here NWST. Okay, this is what the output tax. Okay, and here what is our access sequence? NWST. This is what we have created, right? Then what is the next process? We have to place our condition type into the pricing procedure. So now let me go through our pricing procedure v/08, and here what is our procedure? I think MR for zeros, this one. So now let me select this one and let me go through the controls. See here already MWST is there, which we have used, right, in the what is this previous sales organization, sorry, in the previous sales document. So now what I would like to do is I would like to use our tax condition type, which is nothing but NWST, not this one, NWST. This is what we have created now. And make sure for which the requirement is 10 and the base type formula is 16 and the account key is MWS. Okay, I will let you know about them in the upcoming sessions, but for now you have to maintain like this. Okay, and you have to save it. So what is the next step? We have to create the condition records, right?
Yeah.
We have to go through the transaction VK11. And we have to give our condition type as NWST. Okay, and here we have only one key combination where we have to give country and tax classification one of the customer is 1 and tax classification of the material is 1. Okay, and here the amount is, see here tax indicator 1 is not defined for use with the condition type NWST. So you are getting this error, right? So if you get this error, then you have to do some changes. Let me go through SPRO. Here SAP reference IMG. Here sales and distribution. Then we have to go through the basic functions here. Here taxes. And see here tax determination rules. So here our country is IN. Okay, so what is the tax category? MWST, right? But here we would like to use our new one, which is nothing but NWST. So now let me save it.
Okay.
Then go back here from here. See, now we have to click on define tax relevancy for master records. Okay, so here let me click on customer taxes and see what is the tax category? NWST, right? This is what is our, so it's not there here.
Okay.
So now let me click on new entries and here NWST. So for which I am assigning 1 here. Okay.
Okay.
In the same way for the material also. MWST, for which I am assigning 1 here. Okay, so we have to do this configuration. Then after we have to go back to 11 to create the new condition type, new condition records.
Okay.
Tax classification of the customer is 1, and here is 1, and object country not allowed. Yeah, I think see this one. Yeah. Now what is the tax procedure, tax code here? M1, right? So now let me save it. So now let me go to XD02, and here for this customer. Now let me go back here. Let me go through the billing documents and see. Here we have to give the tax classification of the customer, right?
Okay.
So here I have given the tax classification of the customer as 1 here. So now let me create the sales order again. And see, I'm giving the plant also here. So if the plant is not there, then you cannot get the MWST condition type in the sales document. Okay.
Okay.
I will let you know why it is. Because see, here in the pricing procedure, you have given the requirement as 10, right?
Yeah.
So the requirement checks that the plant should be there in the sales document, or else it will not get determined.
Okay.
Okay. See here, the output tax is 0.80, which is getting calculated on the net value. Okay.
Okay.
So now let me increase the quantity here. See here, the tax is 3.98. Okay. So see here, what's happening is this currency means the 200 is getting convert into the euros. Okay, so now you are getting the euro currency here. That's really here the tax is 3.98 euros, and the net value is 24.90 euros. Okay. See, I think you are clear with this.
Yeah,
Clear
yes,
with the creation of the new tax condition type in SAP. And if you have any queries, you can ask me now. Do you have any queries? Are you clear?
Yeah, clear.
Okay, then thank you.